What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Passion if you're new here, and in today's video we're going to be expanding from my room makeover and we're going to be doing my bathroom makeover. But before we get into the video, I know that a lot of you are new here and I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. Welcome to the fam. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, which about 95% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, kind of side-eyeing you right now. You know you want to click the button, just go ahead, click it. It's free. It helps to support me. You get to join fam. You get content delivered to your subscription box weekly every Thursday. So just go ahead and click it and join the fam, and let's get into the video. So if you have not seen my room makeover videos, I will link them down below and up in the cards. Definitely make sure to check those out so you can kind of get a sense of what my aesthetic is, because the bathroom will definitely be expanding upon this current situation right here. So definitely make sure to check those out down below. A little background about my bathroom. I haven't redone my bathroom since college, which, I mean, it's the same thing with my room. Basically everything that I had at my college apartment, I just took it home, put it here, that was it. And the vibe just didn't really match what I was going for anymore. You know, I'm more of that like boho, neutral sort of situation. And I really wanted my bathroom to reflect that because, I mean, I spend a lot of time in there just, you know, getting ready in the morning, my nighttime routine. So it should really be a reflection of me and be a little serene. So that was my main point of redecorating, is just completely out with the old, in with the new, have it reflect me truly as I am here today. And a lot of the things that I got, I kept in mind that, you know, these will be pieces that I take with me whenever I move out of my mom's house next year. So I was like, okay, this is kind of like an investment for my future self. So we're gonna make sure we like every single piece that's in here because it's coming with us. Yeah, so I definitely wanted to make sure that it reflected me now and just kind of age it up, modernize it, and have it be a little bit more functional for all of my things that I keep in there and use daily. And I think I did just that. But before we get to the reveal, let's go ahead and rewind to a couple of weeks ago to see the before. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of my bathroom as it stands right now. So we have the vanity area right here. And then we have these floating shelves on the wall and a little storage bin. And then if we go over here, this is like the actual bathroom area. We have the shower. And then we have the toilet, trash can, and then just some towels hanging. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, there's not really a color scheme in here, the vanity area, which I want to change. In here, as you can see, it's a very just kind of like brown, beige color scheme. But I want to change that to a black, white, and mix in some wood tones to this area and this area. Usually I just have out these mirrors, candle, glasses, vitamins, and then skincare, hand washing stuff. Everything else usually isn't on top of here. But even with those like simple things, it's still very bare and there's nothing really kind of like going on. And then in here, I want to change out this rod, the shower rod, because it's just like, it's been up since I've gotten here and it's real gross. And then I want to just change out the shower curtain because I've had it since I've been in college. That is the overall plan for the bathroom. Just really neutral, just white, black, and wood tones. That's it. Just to kind of like modernize it a little bit and clean it up a little bit. I don't want anything too crazy. And I don't know, I kind of want to move away from the brown in here just because I've had it for so long, so it's time for a change. So I thought that, you know, black, it'll kind of tie into my room a little bit too. Yeah, I think that is the plan, you guys, and I'm actually really excited to get started on this project. So as you can see, the damage is done. I went to Target and picked up basically almost everything that I needed. I'm probably missing maybe like one or two things, but that'll come down the road. So I got some towel, shower curtain, shower rod, bath mat, and I am currently washing some towels right now. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and tackle this bathroom. I have to do a really like thorough cleaning. So now that you've seen what we were working with before, let's go ahead and get into the final reveal. Okay, so that was a complete overview of my bathroom, and we are actually going to start over here. We have this wall, which is just all plants, and I'm obsessed with this wall. Like, it worked out so well with it alternating white and black. This top one up here is from At Home. These top two are actually from At Home, and then these bottom two, this one and this one, both of these are from Target. So At Home, Target. And then we move along to this wall, which this mirror is actually a set of 3 from At Home. So we have this one that's on this wall over here. And then we have another one that I placed right here. And then the last one is actually in the actual like shower toilet area. And I actually really do love this wood detail, the wooden frame on them. It is honestly perfect. And then moving on to the actual vanity areas. So this is actually what I was mostly concerned with. Of course, I mean, it takes up the whole entire bathroom, right? But it just wasn't as functional as I needed it to be. So to make it a bit more functional, I added this tray right here, and this is actually a serving tray from Target. So it's like actually what you use in your kitchen, but found it and I was like, oh, this is perfect. And on here I have this plant, which I believe is from At Home, this canister which holds cotton swabs, cotton pads, all that sort of stuff that I would need, so I don't have to go digging for it, and it's just out and about. A towel just for whenever I wash my face, and then my perfume that I've been using, and then just some random jewelry and a mirror. And this is perfect because now everything isn't just kind of like spread out, it actually has its own place. So I love that, and I love the wooden detail. As you can tell, wood is my thing. And then just a black hanging towel. I definitely wanted to accent the wood, which is white and black touches. And then I got this is also from Target, and again just holds all of my little knickknacks, face stuff, face wash that I use daily, another towel, eyeglass stuff. And this is perfect, so it's just not like, it's not just spread out on the counter, and it actually has a place, and I don't have to go digging for it. That was one of the main things that I didn't want to do. I mean, if I'm using it every single day, why go digging for it? So, and then we move on over here. We have the soap dispenser, which is from Target, just plain black. And then we also have this other wooden holder, which holds my toothbrush, scissors, razor, some more face wash stuff. That is the overview of the vanity, and actually it was perfect. These wooden pieces from Target were perfect because it actually matches the wood that we have kind of accented on the cabinets itself. So win-win. And as you can see, this was just all like really sort of basic, like nothing crazy, like no painting, just because I know that I am moving in a year, so why waste money on paint and energy on paint? So then we move in here. Starting off in here, we've already showed you this picture. This rod up here, if you remember, this rod was so rusted. We have been in this house for 12 years, something like that, and it just did not look good. So I switched it out, and I wanted to go with a black curtain rod just to change it up a bit and sort of step away from the silver. And I knew that the shower curtain was going to be some sort of like white with some sort of detail in it, and it actually works perfect with the stripes that are in the curtain. The curtain rod, these curtain rings, and the curtain itself are all from Target, and I love the rings just because they kind of mimic that detail of the curtains that are hanging in my window in my room. So just again, tying everything together. And then we just have this mat right here, also from Target, really simple, just black mat. And then we move over here, and I decided to accent this area by just having some towels. Towels are also from Target. I love Target's towels. They're so good and also really inexpensive. And I knew that I wanted my towels to be a little bit of a better quality than just like something cheap that I could have used for decor, just because I know that whenever I move, if I don't have like this rod above here, if I decide to add something else, then I can actually use the towels instead of just for decor. Just plain simple black and white to accent the curtains, and then tie them with some black ribbon, and that is it. And then I just added this black waste basket, which I'm not exactly sure where that waste basket is from, but yeah, you guys, super simple. Nothing crazy, but definitely does give that like spa feel now to me, and it's a lot more just inviting and calming and relaxing. And again, the focus was really just on functionality and making sure that everything that I needed to have its own space had its own space, and I think did a really good job with that. So you guys, that is it. That is the video. That was my new redecorated bathroom. I think it is so serene now. It feels like an oasis, like a spa. Like I come in here to my room and it's a like boho ass techie like vibe to it, but I go into the bathroom and it's like, okay, we're calm. Both spaces are calm, but like different kind of vibes, if that makes sense. I had so much fun decorating, and as always, all links will be down below, so if you saw anything that caught your eye, right down there, I make it easy for you. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you guys next week on Thursday with a new video. Bye!